Hi, I'm Joseph R. Lewis, and I write adventures. And I have a Patreon. Why? Because some of my friends in the RPG community have talked me into having a Patreon. So let's talk about what's on it. First up, on my Patreon, you'll find these things. I record videos all the time. Sometimes I do several in a day, but I stack them up and they only come out on YouTube every couple of weeks. On the Patreon, though, you can get them as soon as I finish making them. So they'll be coming a little faster and you'll be able to get them earlier in the timeline of events. So they'll happen closer to the things I'm actually referencing and talking about. Number two, things that you'll get on the Patreon are books, fiction. Once upon a time, I used to write books, novels, fantasy novels, and I wrote quite a few of them, a couple dozen of them. Currently, there are the Dungeon Age novels, which tie into my RPG setting of Hearth, the Dying World. So you can get those 4 books. In addition, I've also put up the Angels and Jinn, sort of dark fantasy series, which is set in Arabia and East Africa. A lot of folks like that one. It has some very beautiful cover art by Lara Sava. And in the coming weeks, I'll be putting up all of the rest of my fiction, which includes the Elf Saga series and the Ethereum steampunk series, Zelda Price trilogy, all my young adult novels, lots of stuff. So there'll be tons of fiction on the Patreon very soon. Third up on the Patreon, I am creating DevNotes. So what that means is for any given adventure that I've written or published, not all of them, but for some of them, I am creating a document that shows the drafts, the draft history, with track changes so you can see explicitly what's changing, and then commentary notes from me describing what I was doing, what I was thinking, why I made the choices that I made to create each draft or version of the document through its life cycle, and what I think I did well, and what I think I didn't do so well, and what I would hope to do better in future versions or future adventures. So if you want to really get under the hood and start looking at the life cycle of a document or how an adventure can evolve and why I make the choices that I make, you will get those dev documents. And currently, we've got up the dev document for Let's Slay a Dragon and House of the Wasp. So I'm kind of working backwards a little bit, but as I write new ventures in the future, we'll be getting new ones going forward as well. Currently, those are the 3 major things that I'm putting on the Patreon, but I'm thinking about a lot more things we might be adding in the future, which includes artwork by me, but also things that are more useful for you as writers and creators. So maybe document templates that you can use to start your writing process or even to create finished products. And also I want to hear from you about things that are useful and valuable to you going forward. This will not be a huge endeavor. There won't be tons of new things, but there will be much more intricate and detailed things that we don't get into in the YouTube channel and my other materials. So if you want to get those things, please check me out on Patreon. And you can find me under Joseph R. Lewis, because that's the very clever name that I'm using just about everywhere. So that's it, folks. Just a quick video to tell you that the Patreon exists. And if you're interested, you can check it out. The link is down below, and it's on all my profiles everywhere and on my website. But you can check that out, and I hope to see you there. Thanks so much. Good luck out there.